Hey guys, Sam here at St.Albert Dodge. Today we got this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X 80th Anniversary Edition. Super nice Jeep in the ceramic blue. You got 3M on the hood, which seems to have kept it in great shape over the years here. We got our LED headlights. You got your fog lights, 7-slot Jeep grille. It is blacked out like the Limited X trim. You got your nice granite aluminum wheels there with the Pirelli tires, lots of tread left. You got your Grand Cherokee badging as well as your 80th anniversary Jeep badging. Blind spot monitoring, keyless entry for if your hands are full. You got your LED tail lights, more Jeep badging, 4x4 badging. We do have our backup camera right in there, 4 and 7-pin wiring harness, a few park sense sensors as well as our hitch right here. Soft touch tailgate, open that up. You do see that we have the cargo liner in the back here. Previous owner did do a great job taking care of this guy. We got lots of room. Seats can fold down in case you do need a little bit more room for maybe a couple hockey bags or something like that. Anyways, close this guy up. Let's go check out the inside. Hey guys, here we are inside the Grand Cherokee. First glance, we got the nice leather wrap steering wheel. You got your chromed out Jeep badge in the center. Hands-free controls on your left, cruise control and adaptive cruise controls on your right-hand side. You got your volume adjuster, AM/FM channel changer on the back. On your driver's side door, you got memory seating for up to 2 different slots. You got power windows and power locks. In our center console area, we do have our 8.4-inch Uconnect system here. Really good speaker system in the Grand Cherokee here. We do have the ability to turn off our park sense, and we do have the self-parking feature in this Grand Cherokee. We do also have lane keep assist. That way, if you are not paying attention, you should be, but if you're not, it'll kind of have your back for you. You got your auto stop start, and you can have the Grand Cherokee here in sport or eco mode. We do have a little bit of storage down here as well as some USB charging and a 12-volt outlet in there, and you can just close it right up like that. Cup holders, you got a shifter here. It can go into manual mode if you want to have a little bit of fun. You got all of your 4-wheel drive settings and then your different driving modes. You got snow, sand, auto, mud, and rock, and then your hill descent controls so you don't have to ride on your brakes. You do have the garage door opener as well as your dual panel sunroof at the top here. Really nice, lets a lot of light in for you, and then you can close it over with the cover if you so please. We do have the all-season mats to match with the cargo liner in here. Previous owner did really like, I guess, keeping the Canadian winter outside of the carpet. We do have the 80th anniversary badging again on the dash here, kind of on top of this nice wood trim. A little bit more storage just below in the glove box. And then we got our nice leather kind of seats here. We do have heated seats, heated steering wheel in this Jeep, and lots of room in the back seat, so let's go take a look. Hey guys, here we are in the back seat. Not too much to go over here, but we do got some nice netting to hold whatever you do need right there. You got some vents for the back seat passengers, as well as some more charging for them, USBs and a 12-volt right there. You do got 2 levels of heated seating for the passengers in the back, as well as a couple of cup holders that just fold out like that. You can also recline these seats, which is kind of nice if you want to kind of hang out in the back seat, or you can fold them down if you do need a little bit more cargo space, which is pretty easy. Anyway, if you guys want to know more, feel free to give me a call on my cell, 780-905-1831, or come on down to the dealership. I'll look forward to seeing you. Have a good one, guys.